tide is definitely coming in. Whoa, check it out. It's coming all the way up here. Oh gosh. Yeah, we couldn't go down there yesterday. That is why we did not get down there. We actually got down to, let's see. That little black rock right there. And then a little bit further. Kind of where that rock is clearing off there. But we didn't get close to where that big chasm is. Because it's just too frightening. I didn't want to become part of the body surf. Really rough seas.